Hey guys, so I'm going to be taking you through my skincare routine that I've been doing lately and my makeup routine for Zoom meetings. I'm using the Laneige Mini Pore Water Clay Mask. I put this on, I leave it about 10 minutes and then I remove it. And then next I will be taking Haru Haru Wonder Fermented Black Rice Serum. This serum I've been loving lately, you guys. It is so hydrating. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. And then after that, I will be taking the Asian Labs Afterglow Ampule. This ampule is the best I've ever tried. If you guys know what ampules are, they are basically thicker serums. So in Korean beauty, they have ampules. So ampules are basically just thicker serums. Now I am taking the Lancome Advanced Genifique Eye Light Pearl Concentrate. This eye and lash concentrate has been my go-to for over a year now. It's definitely always going to be a staple in my routine. I absolutely love it. It grows your lashes, it helps with depuffing and everything. Next, I'm taking the Restore C eye cream. This eye cream, guys, if you haven't checked out Restore C, you've got to go check them out. This eye cream is one of my favorites. It depuffs and see those dark circles. Those dark circles I have always had trouble combating, and this definitely helps. Now onto the Lancome Visionaire Eye Balm. I like to use it at the end of my eye routine. Moving on to the Visionaire Skin Corrector. I absolutely love this Visionaire Skin Corrector from Lancome. It helps to even the skin tone and helps get rid of bumps, blemishes, anything that you would have on your skin that you just want to get rid of. Next, I'm taking the Energy DV Anti-Fatigue and Antioxidant Liquid Care from Lancome. And you guys know I have to add in Bioderma. This is the CBN Pore Refiner Cream. This is really good for my fellow larger pore peeps out there. I know, and they just kind of want to hide those during makeup. So this really helps to do that. And then I'm just taking some of the Kiehl's Powerful Strength Line Reducing Concentrate. It's got 12.5 vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. I really like to use this in my smile lines because I do not want to have lines on my smile lines, and I smile a lot, so yeah. And then I use the Fix It Forget It spray. I use it for anti-pollution. It kind of got cut off there. I use this in an IGTV video, that's why. This is how I get my glowing clear skin. My skin isn't always clear. It's got acne, it's got scars, it's got bumps, but this is how I take care of it. And moving on to the makeup, I'm taking the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Pore Refiner Primer. Next, I will be taking my Lancome and my Shiseido concealers. I mix these together. So I put the Lancome one first and then the Shiseido one down second. It just kind of gives me a couple of tones of concealer. I like to use a few tones of concealer just to give me a nice base. So the foundation I've been loving, I haven't been wearing foundation a lot recently, but it's the Renergy Lift makeup and I am the shade 90 in. So I just blend that out and then I take my powder. This is just the Lancome powder as well, and I just set my face. And then now I'm taking the Claire 2 foundation, powder foundation. So I'm taking that and I'm going to contour my face just a little bit, and then I'm taking the Bronze Goddess from Estee Lauder and bronzing up my face. And then I'm using a old-fashioned fair brush to just blush up my face. Now I'm taking the ColourPop Yes Please palette, and I'm going to be just using a few shades from that palette. So I'm taking Note to Self and just going in and blending that out. And then I'm going to take the darkest shade in the palette, French Kiss, and just blend it all together and focus more on my lash line. To get that smoky eye effect, I like to really focus on that lower lash line and kind of bring it out and just kind of wing it out. Now I'm taking and just curling my lashes, and then I'm applying a lash serum. This is the Lancome Seals Booster. I also put this in my eyebrows just to set them. And then now for mascara, it's the Mary Kay Lash Love Lengthening Mascara. This is my holy grail. I think I've been using this, no joke, since 8th grade. And then for highlighter, I'm just going in with the Kaja Roller Glow Highlighter. I really like this one. It really gives an iridescent glow. And then I'm just going over it and dusting a little bit of the Sparkling Pesh from Lancome. It's a powder highlighter. And then for lip care, I love the Laneige lip sleeping masks. I have all of the flavors and the MAC lip glass also. And to finish off the look, I'm going to spray some of this Keep Cool and Ocean Mist from Keep Cool. And there you are, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you liked it. I hope you learned something. If you like this video, you know what to do.